So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to check the dividend calendar of different stocks here on the Moomoo application. So once Moomoo's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass, or go to the bottom left and press on markets. So if you were to go to the markets here and you were to select, let's just go US right here, we'll scroll down to where it says dividend rankings. And how about we go to where it says dividend calendar? 132 upcoming dividends. So if you're looking for stocks that pay dividends relatively soon, I actually want you to press on dividend calendar just like this. Now, once you're here, you can actually check on dates that different stocks pay dividends on. So for example, April 24th, which is currently selected, the Royal Bank pays dividends, Levi's, all this kind of stuff. If you were to scroll down, February 25th, or sorry, April 25th, etc. If you're looking for dividends on maybe the 30th, there's a whole bunch of different dividends right here. You can also go to the top here, press on search, and if you're looking for maybe a specific stock, ticker symbol Coca-Cola, it'll show you the dividend calendar from 2025, 2024, etc. So this is when you can kind of expect a dividend to be paid for a specific company. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to check the dividend calendar of different stocks here on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.